I've come to the seaside looking for some special ducks. Since most of the birds from far north would have migrated south, I knew my chances are very low. However, the landscape was breathtaking. I had never seen a frozen sea before. Mute swan. The name comes from its relatively less vocal behavior compared to the other swans. I was so engrossed photographing the swans, ignored the woodpecker sound just behind me. By the time it struck, it had gone higher. I kept looking for ducks, at the same time enjoying the spectacular views. With no luck with the ducks, I stumbled upon a flock of siskins. Exhausted after walking for 5 kilometers, not to mention falling down few times as well, after stepping on a clear ice, it was time to go back, rest, and prepare for the next day. Looking at the reports of golden-eye, common merganser, I headed to the Bay Area next morning. In spite of challenging weather, I had to maximize this last day in Finland. I pushed my luck to the limits, almost missing my flight in the evening to get one glimpse of this beauty. Though I didn't capture many species of the north, the trip has motivated me to add it to my bucket list.